To connect AirPods into your Apple Watch Ultra 3rd generation, first of all, you will have to enter for the pairing mode on your AirPods, so it actually depends on your model. If you have AirPods 4 or AirPods Pro 3rd generation, you will have to just close the case, open it with the both AirPods inside, and double tap over here on this LED indicator to enter for the pairing mode. In the older versions, you have to search for the pairing button, so it will be available on the back of your charging case, or on the bottom, or on the front. And you have to also click and hold this button, wait until indicator starts blinking white, with the both AirPods inside, with the case opened. Now I'm gonna enter for the pairing mode on my model. There we go. Now you will have to grab your Apple Watch, then you have to go to the settings. Next you have to scroll down into the Bluetooth and just turn it on by clicking on its switcher and just wait for available devices. So we just have to be patient and simply click on them like so, and now as you can see we are successfully connected.